my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I'm not going to get into my whole spiel, what I would normally do, because this is just a quick announcement video. I had alluded in other videos and in a car vlog that I have something I've been working on and I have announcements. So this is the announcement of what that is, and I will have a follow-up video about what it is once I tell you what it is. This is a hot mess. Before I get started, the hair that I'm wearing today is Made Beauty's Holly. There will be a review up on that. If you want to see it sooner rather than later, go ahead and put that down below. But today I am launching a sort of a test run of wig kits. So I have put together a bunch of different wig kits for different purposes. There will be a whole video explaining what's in each kit, what you get, what it's used for, things like that. I am selling these on my Poshmark, so my Poshmark is something you're going to want to follow. The link is down below, but you can search it on Poshmark at Everyday Monet. This is sort of a pilot run, but I do plan to expand this and have this as something that you can purchase and wig wearers can purchase. And there'll be different ones. There'll be, you know, ones for cosplay, ones for travel, ones for beginners. Like, I'm really curating them so that they fit different needs and wants and all that kind of stuff. So this is a super quick video just because I am just announcing the fact that I am doing the wig kits, and then the wig kit video will be up right after this. They'll be launching right together. So that's my big announcement, and I am excited to hear your feedback and what you think. So please put down below, or down below on the wig kit video, the explanation, like, please put down below what you think, what your thoughts are, likes, dislikes, whatever. So yeah, that's my announcement, and I will see you in the next video about what the wig kits look like.